Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can change the language at the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip3 5G. Okay, first of all let me tell you whatever language you will have on your phone right now with whatever letters, the symbols and the positions I will show you right now will be always the same. Okay, so let's start. First of all, just scroll down here and then you will find here on the top at the corner the symbol for the settings. Tap it. And now you have to scroll down to this point here, General Management. At the front you will see here a gray icon to adjust some things. So General Management, tap it. And here we will need the first point, Language. So, and now you have made a list here already on your phone. If your language is part of that list, let's take for example Deutsch, so small language, then go here after on the blue button to apply, and then the phone is changing into the language you have selected now here from that list. In my case was Deutsch. So, but maybe you don't have your language here in that list, no problem. Then let me go back here to English to show you it a bit better. The blue button to confirm if your language is part of the list. Okay, if your language is not part of that list, we need this green plus symbol here to add a language. So and now you can choose the language you want to have. And yeah, let's keep going on maybe in English. And for the second thing, you can choose now also the local dialect. Let's take the dialect from Barbados, the beautiful Caribbean island, and then just go here on set as default, that your language is the default language immediately on your phone. Okay, like in my case now. Yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, or maybe just subscribe me. Yeah, maybe another subscription. It will be really a pleasure to see you again. Thank you so much for all your support. And yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.